The rope. The night dropped heavy on the elevations of mountains, and the man climbing up the mountain couldn't see anything. There was no visibility. The clouds covered the moon and the stars. When he was just a couple of feet away from the top of the hill, he slipped and fell into the air. Falling at very high speed, he could see only black spots as he was falling down and felt the awful experience of being absorbed by gravity. He kept falling, and in those moments of great anxiety, all the great and bad episodes of his life started flashing into his mind. He started thinking about exactly how close death was getting towards him, when suddenly he felt the rope tied to his waist pull him extremely hard. Now his body was hanging in the air and only the rope was holding him. In that minute of stillness, he had no choice but to scream out loud, "God, please help me! Why are you doing this to me?" Suddenly, a deep voice from the sky responded, "What do you want me to do?" "Save me, God! Please save me!" "Do you really think I can save you?" "Of course! I believe in you! You are a God! You can do anything!" "Then cut the rope which is tied to your waist." There was a minute of silence. The minute passed, and the man decided to hold on to the rope with all his strength. Next morning, when the rescue team reached that place, the climber was discovered dead and frozen. His body was hanging with a rope to his waist, and his hands were holding the rope tightly. He was just 1 foot away from the ground. How attached are we to our ropes? Will we let them go? Moral of the story: do not ever doubt God. He always has better plans for you. We should have enough faith and belief to cut the rope if God tells us to do, even if it appears to be the most absurd thing to do.